Hey guys, you're home with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are working on a commercial package unit, also known as a rooftop unit. And we're on top of a commercial building here in downtown, and we found that the unit behind me, that one there, is from 1996, and it's got multiple problems. We got a bad blower motor, and they have lack of airflow inside. And we open it up here. That there is the blower motor. You can see it here. That is a blower motor. This here is the evaporator coil. And you can see it's all rusted out. So we got some leaks there as well. And this is the return where the air comes in and goes to the coil. Sometimes we cleaned that the other day here, but you can see it's getting dirty again. But also the heat exchanger, which is over here. Oh, it's been covered up. The heat exchanger was also bad. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a quote on a new system, which would be a very good recommendation here. A brand new commercial AC and heat gas package unit, also known as a rooftop unit, or RTU. And that would get a happy customer. Okay, we replaced one already here about 2-3 months ago, which is this one here. They were having the same problem, so this one here, we put their name there on the side. This is a 4-ton package unit right here, and so we're gonna give them a price for a new one. Okay, repairs for the problems they have, which I don't recommend, but also give them a price for a new one. Okay, so call us for all your AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay, thanks guys, see you in the next video.